After you have launched Ccleaner, by default will open in the Cleaner tab. First navigate to the Tools tab. Inside this tab we have 5 more tabs: Uninstall, Startup, File Finder, System Restore, and Drive Wiper. The Uninstaller tab is very similar to the built-in control panel's Uninstaller, except for 2 extra options. First, if you remove a program and all trace files, but the program name still exists, you have the option to delete entry name. By selecting the name on the left and selecting Delete Entry, press Yes at prompt. Secondly, the program list populated includes all programs, along with all system updates, program updates, and hotfixes. Now click the Startup tab. In the right pane we get a startup list beginning with Windows startup entries, very similar to the MS-config startup list. From this pane we can examine, enable, disable, and also delete startup registry entries. We can easily view the registry key, the program name, the publisher name, and file associated with each startup entry. This is where many spyware, adware, trojans, malware, and viruses will add startup entries, and with ease, select any entries you want removed. Hold the Control key and click on more than one entry to remove multiple. Next, in the Internet Explorer, Firefox, Google Chrome, Opera tabs, you may also edit startup entries for each browser. In the Scheduled Tasks tab you may also remove unwanted tasks. Many viruses sneak scheduled tasks to reinstall the virus after it has been removed. These are all vital steps in removing spyware, adware, trojans, malware, and viruses. The last tab is the Context menu, which is also your right-click menu. So if you have any entries when you right-click you want removed, you may do so here. Moving down on the left tabs, let's click File Finder. This will find duplicate files on your system. Many times these are backup files, but sometimes you will find viruses duplicate themselves on a system, and with this tool, it is easy to track down those duplicates. With many options you can fine-tune your search all the way down to only search the C drive or to search individual folders and files. Onto the System Restore tab. This will list system restore points with a date and time plus a description of what was changed. This window does not allow you to restore to these times, only allows you to remove old restore points, to free up disk space. Lastly, the Drive Wiper tab is a very time-consuming task, depending on how many overwrite passes you want. This can take days. First off, you can select to only wipe your free space or the entire drive. The entire drive can only be done on extra drives or removable media. You can select between 1 and 35 overwrite passes. The more passes, the more secure the erase is. With only 1 pass your data may be unsafe to someone with the proper tools and software. I recommend at least an advanced overwrite. But if you have time a complex overwrite. Tune in on the next lesson. Defraggler's use is. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Have a great day. Love and be happy.